Hello everyone and welcome to a new grammar lesson with Anas Mansour. Today we are going to talk about if conditional, and in this video we are going to discuss three types of if conditional: zero conditional, first conditional, and second conditional. Stay with us. Have you ever heard your mother or your father says, if you study, you will pass the exam, or if you study, you pass the exams? All types of conditionals have two main parts, which are 1. If clause, 2. And the main clause. If clause is the condition, and we also call it if conditional. And the main clause is also the result of that condition. Let's start with the zero conditional first. Let's have a look at the form of it. We have if clause and the main clause. In the if clause, we have present simple. We have if plus present simple. And in the main clause, we have present simple. And as you know, present simple is used to talk about facts and routines. The same thing. If you want to talk about zero conditional, it gives us conditions about facts and routines as well. I have a question for you. What happens if you heat water to 100 degrees? Does it boil? Yes. So, if you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. This is a fact. That's why we use zero conditional. As you noticed, we have used if plus present simple in the if clause and the present simple in the main clause. Let's move on to another example. When or if the sun goes down, it gets dark. Notice here that we have used when or if. So you can use when instead of if in the zero conditional. We add a comma after the if clause in case it is in the beginning. So remember that. Also notice that we can rearrange the sentence by saying water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees. In this case, we have put the main clause in the beginning and then we have used the if conditional at the end. And notice we drop the comma here. If I have an exam, I study really hard. This is a routine. This is something I do when I have an exam. So this is a routine. And in this case, we use zero conditional. Now let's talk about first conditional. Let's talk about the form of first conditional. In the if clause, we have present simple. If plus present simple. And in the main clause, we have will plus infinitive, which means future simple. Why do we use first conditional? We used first conditional to talk about real and possible situations. This type refers to future possibilities that are certain or probable to happen in the future. Let me give you an example. If it is sunny tomorrow, I will have a picnic. If it is sunny tomorrow is the if conditional. Then we have the comma. I will have a picnic is the main clause. And notice we used will plus have. It is possible that it will be sunny tomorrow. In this condition, I will have a picnic. Example number 2. If you come to the party, I will be happy. It is possible that you will come to the party. In this condition, I will be happy. I will stay home if it rains tomorrow. Notice we have rearranged the sentence. We have put the main clause in the beginning, then the if clause. It is possible that it will rain tomorrow. In this condition, I will stay home. Notice that there is no comma here. Now, why do we use second conditional? The second conditional is used to talk about unreal, imaginary, or impossible situation in the present time. The situation is in the present, but the rule is in the past. We have in the F clause, if plus past simple, and in the main clause, we have would plus infinitive. Let's see the examples. If I had wings, I would fly. I don't have wings, so it is impossible for me to fly. This is unreal situation. If I had his number, I would call him. I don't have his number, so it is impossible for me to call him. There is another usage for second conditional. We use the second conditional also to give an advice by saying, if I were you. If I were you, but we know that we use the verb was with I. Don't worry, it is uncommon to use if I was you. So we say if I were you. And here we use the second conditional to give an advice. Let's see this example.
If I were you, I would tell the truth.
This is an impossible situation. I am not you. I'm just using the second conditional to give an advice. And now let's see the difference between first conditional and the second conditional. If I win the prize, I will be happy. This sentence was said by a person who has a good chance of winning. It is something which is possible to happen. So we use the first conditional. Sentence number 2. If I won the prize, I would be happy. This sentence was said by a person who has no chance of winning. And in this case, we use second conditional. Thank you for watching.